it's better if people don't fear fat, but there are some good types of fat and some bad types of fat.
Yep.
And
Just like there are, good carbohydrates and bad carbohydrates,
Mhm.
for example.
Yeah. You emphasized better fats coming from animal sources as well as fruits, meaning
Mhm.
people don't usually think of fruits as having fat, but I guess we're talking
Right.
about things like avocados, olives, coconut, and some of the oils that come from them as well.
Yep. That's
And I'd
right.
maybe throw in like nuts would be another
Hmm.
good broad category as well. Um, and then the bad fats, which, or at least they seem to be pretty harmful. They're a new concept. Humans never ate these that much before, and we're eating tons of them. It's the soybean oil, the canola oil, some of these other vegetable oils or seed oils, and they're usually very processed, refined, heated, and have some other secret ingredients like these solvents or whatever.
That's
That,
right. And
that
deodorants. Yep.
yeah. So that's the thing about the fats, and then just like you said a moment ago, the carbs, similarly, there's like good carbs and bad carbs to some extent. Like, so the better ones might come from vegetables, for example, whereas the bad ones are these highly refined, ground, crushed up kind of things that you buy in a package at the store, generally
Yeah.
speaking.
Yep.
Generally speaking. So those kind of nutritional changes are probably a huge and foundational change that somebody could make if they're trying to improve insulin resistance, or if they have prediabetes or type 2 diabetes and they don't want it to get worse, or obviously if they want it to get better, or any of
Hmm.
these other related medical conditions that are also related to insulin resistance or high insulin, like high blood pressure, polycystic ovary syndrome, your risk level for getting dementia later on, because usually you're not going to see that right away, but it
Yeah.
might be later in life for most people, depending on what age they are right now. Fatty liver would be another one. So all of those things, if somebody's dealing with those and they want to change, I think that's a really good start and a good foundation.